Hey, Charles. Professor Flitwick wrote a water charm. Oh. Where do Hogwarts students keep their owls?
In the post office?
In the owlery!
Perfect, shiny, and new. Like a snowman?
Hells yeah.
Headline game? Oh my god, where is that?
With a little bit of gold and a page.
Sorry, I'm like on top of you.
I like it. Cool kid. Old school. Just make excuses for your sock.
I wish it was a nude 340-pound girl.
With a little bit of gold and a pager. Cool kids. Ow! Get a little bit of gold and a pager. So, how's it going?
It's going good. It's going well. You know, grammar.
You're not sitting next to me anymore. With a little bit of gold and a pager.
Okay, bend over.
I'm naked. Tape over the thing, you can't see you. Wait. See, look.
Whoa, it's sketchy.
With a little bit of gold and a pager.